Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an exciting Colourpop unboxing. I did open it to see what it was because I didn't know what it was. It is actually, so not long ago they posted about some mystery boxes that they had, or mystery bags. So I ordered two because I thought, why not? Like, is it different items in each bag? Is it the same in each bag? So we're gonna jump into that now. Super cute as always, cute packaging. They had a new 2019 contour by Colourpop, and so that's pretty exciting. Just my receipt, and they're called She's a Mystery. She's a Mystery. So we have two little baggies like this. Super excited, quite heavy, so that's exciting. Let's get rid of this little box. Okay, let's put this one aside for a moment. There's some space on my desk. I was in a bit of a rush. I got home from having my photo shoot done, as why I'm so pretty, thanks to the makeup artist. And I had this sitting on my kitchen table. I'm like, oh, gotta film it. I want to find out what's in them. So super cute, all like sealed up. So we'll just tear that one open. Oh, I hate when things don't tear properly. Okay. Ooh, lots of goodies. So that's what's inside. Let's slide it out. Okay, we got a black on black, which I don't know what that is. I'm gathering that something is in the box. Okay, so let's start pulling that out. Oh no! Ooh, this is exciting! I am super excited right now. So we'll start off with the small ones. I'm a bit bummed. This one is a bit broken up. Oh, sorry about the lighting. Broken up a little bit, but a good thing about Colourpop is they've got a creamy consistency, so if it is broken you can just kind of like smush it back in place. This is the highlighter of my life. The highlight of my life, sorry. And it is Counting Sheep. Now I do not have this colour. There is a plus. Now if I do get any doubles, I will probably offer them to my sister first. So I think that is actually a new item. We also have another Super Shock Shadow in Party of 5, so that's exciting. I love the Super Shocks. We have another one in Sequin, a nice like brownie color. We have a lippy stick, an ultra blotted lip, and an ultra glossy lip, so that's exciting. So the ultra glossy is in Flying Horses. Ooh, let's have a look, shall we? Oh, I like. It's like a nudie color, kind of like what I'm wearing today, but a little bit darker. So that's exciting. Now, if you want anything in depth, like if you want more in depth on this one, please let me know, and I will do another like segment. This is just kind of an unboxing to see what's in it. Now, the ultra blotted is in Dozy. Like this reddish terracotta color, I guess. So that's pretty exciting. I actually have a few Colourpop colors. Lippy stick in Ziggy. Oh, I think I may already have Ziggy in my collection. I think I might. It's like another nudie color, so that's pretty good. Well, it's not nude, it's like a reddish terracotta. I say terracotta a lot, don't I? Odd. Sorry, getting lost. We have a pressed powder shadow in Come and Get It. So it's like a goldy color. And then we have, I'm gathering this is new actually, Luxe Give Me Some Lipstick in, I don't even know how to pronounce that one. Focusing. Come on. Block my face out. Ugh, not working. Okay. Anyways, I'll get my sister to do the little edit and put it in there. Ooh, nice little packaging. Oh, I like. That is adorable. Still won't focus on the name. Okay, now the one thing I was super excited about when I opened this is I noticed about the Colourpop volumizing mascara in black on black. So that is exciting. These are a new line, so that's exciting that it comes in their mystery bags. Ooh, nice size too. They are a size. They are. I can't even read. I think it says 1.7 grams. Ooh, nice volumizing wand. So that is exciting. This is actually very, very new to their line. They only posted about it not long ago. So that's exciting. Because if I do get another one of these, my sister does need one for her new video. So we'll pop that to the side and we'll get into the next one. I'm hoping it's different colors and things. I don't really want to get doubles. If I get doubles, that's a bit of a bummer. But anyways, let's crack into this. Oh, it's doubles. So that's a bit of a bummer. So yeah, everything I got was exactly the same. Except this highlighter is in better of a condition. So I'll just swap that one over. But yeah, everything is the same. So Dozy, Ziggy, Flying Horses, Black on Black, the one I cannot pronounce, Come and Get Me, Counting Sheeps, and the two shock shadows, which are Sequin and Party of 5. So that's a bit of a bummer that it was a double pack. That's kind of why I did it though, to find out if you were to buy two separate ones, if it would be different or if it would be the same. Now that we have worked out that you get the same items, it's a bit of a bummer, but it's alright because I'm pretty sure my sister needs some of these things. Like, she needs one of these for a video that she wants to do. So I might just be like, hey, you wanna pay back for it? So yeah, that will be really interesting. Like I said earlier on in the video, if you would like to see a like in-depth of like swatches and things of the items, like more close up, talk about them a bit more, maybe do, this may actually be better for Michaela. She is actually going to be doing a full face of Colourpop products. So I can always get her to try some of these on her channel, but if you would like, I can swatch them for you. But that is all for today. Just a quick little video to show you their little mystery bags. Oh, another little card in that one too. So no, that was a bit of a bummer. I was kind of hoping like maybe they'd chuck some different colors in there or things like that, but I guess they just decided to do them all the same. That's alright. At least you guys know. I don't actually know if they still have them. If they do, go ahead and buy one. I suggest you do it. It is very good for value. But yeah, that is all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell, and we will see you again soon. Bye.